Hey, winners! Today, one more MQL5.com listed are going to give you for free. This a name is a iTunes selling on MQL5.com. Its price is near $400. You can check here everything how to use this expert advisors. It's for gold and GBP JPY time frame is 15 minutes. More details you can read in seller webpage. We are not using any expert advisors, so we don't know more about its profitability, any set files, nothing, so don't ask us for more in details. You can just message us your name and from which country you are. Before message us, subscribe our YouTube channel, then only message us to get it for free. In descriptions, you will find download links, and in comments, also you will find it. You can message us there. If you want free TradingView plan or free $60 every month, you can talk to us more in details.
We have more than 6,000 robots and TradingView indicators. To get latest updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. We are giving you it for free. We also give you commissions on your trading. To know more in detail, send me message on Telegram. Not only this, but we also give you free TradingView premium plan.
Subscribe my YouTube channel and comment your country name, then message me on Telegram. This is our group where we share daily new listing products for free. So far, more than 4,000 EA indicators posted there and 4,000 near source code files, which you can edit and resell it. We buy products on behalf of our members so they don't need to spend unnecessary high price.